Whenever I make a NEET or BDS related video, there's always one question. Didi, which private dental college to choose? And honestly, choosing a dental college doesn't depend upon the rankings or the brochure. You should know what it actually feels like studying there. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Astha Zora. I make videos about dentistry, college life and everything that makes future dentists make informed decisions.
In this video, I'll be reviewing the college IDST.
And I'm so excited to show you everything they offer and some things that actually caught my attention. First, let's get to know about the college. The college's name is IDST.
It stands for Institute of Dental Studies and Technologies.
This college has been around for 25 years and it's located in Modi Nagar in the Delhi NCR region. The college is recognized by Dental Council of India, affiliated with Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical University, Lucknow, and is also NAC accredited. If you want to know how many seats this college offers, it is 100 BDS seats per year and it also offers 31 MDS seats per year. As someone who's already studying in BDS, I can tell you one common mistake that every student and parent do is checking only the classrooms during their admissions. They get satisfied with the classrooms and they get their admissions done. But the main thing that you need to check is the clinics because you spend more time in your clinics than in your classrooms. So that is one thing that you need to check. And with that said, IDST has an in-house dental hospital with almost 300 dental chairs. The most second asked question by the students is how much will be the patient flow in private dental colleges. IDST also solves this problem because they have almost 150 to 200 patients visiting every day in their OPD, and this is not even a small number for a dental college. There's also a 100-bedded multi-speciality hospital right inside the campus which adds to the overall healthcare ecosystem. Now here's the part I actually found interesting because we all know India is getting digitalized and in dentistry it is such a field that there are new technologies every day coming up. But the sad reality is no much colleges in India provide all those new technologies to their students. But IDST also showcases an AI-enabled simulation center where students can practice in a simulated environment. This means that you can have a full-on experience of working on a patient while you're still getting trained. If you get into dentistry, you will study anatomy in your first year as a subject.
And usually in other colleges, they just provide a cadaver and ask the students to dissect it.
But IDST provides Anatomage and Maverick AI, which brings anatomy to life through virtual visualization. This college also has the SIDH AI Patient Simulator, giving students exposure to simulated patient scenarios. For pathology and histology practicals, they use BinoPad technology. So it's like you are studying in India, but you're getting all the opportunities that students get abroad. Talking about abroad, if you want to do your MDS in abroad, then you should have a strong CV in dentistry that builds up by attending conferences, workshops, and many more. That's why IDST is also known for its strong research environment with research facilities for both MDS and BDS students, multiple ICMR projects, and it also has collaboration with Colgate Palmolive India Limited. The college is spread across a 5-acre lush green campus with separate hostels for boys and girls, a huge sports arena, gymnasium and good connectivity through RRTS direct metro from Delhi NCR. Okay, I know college isn't about just studying all day. That's why I chose this college because this college provides and conducts events like Avan College Fest and Sprouts Academy Research Event, giving students exposure beyond classrooms and clinics. So once you start working on patients, you will understand how important sterilization is because you can't use the same set of instruments in every patient's mouth. You also don't know the exact number of patients that you will be working on that day. That's why you need to sterilize your instruments regularly.
This college also has dedicated CSSD lab that helps support centralized sterilization and infection control.
So if you are a worried student looking for a good private BDS college near Delhi NCR region, then IDST is an excellent option for you because this provides all the major things that a student will require in his or her dental course that none of the major colleges out there provide. I hope you liked this video and I covered major of the inquiries that you guys always ask me in my comments. If you want more info, then check my description for the college details. Thank you all for watching this video.